People who still in a prison can come out and make contribution to society. But those who have their records expunged and those who had their conviction quashed can't. But yet still we have a criminal in Marcus Garvey whose records still remain as our first national hero.
If Jesus Christ can forgive the entire human race, we can forgive Lt Stitchie if no people have any bad or negative thing about him.
Is it the leader of our country, Jamaica, is getting disrespect by a waste man, a scammer, a chopper? Why is he disrespecting the Prime Minister so much on so much blogs, so much videos, so much posts, every given opportunity, and nothing is coming out of it?
Blessed, loving greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Lion Foot TV. You're not the man of peace. I will set the violence off the streets. Big up everybody on the platform. Saying, holy for love, man. You see me? Yes, man. In this blog, it's saucy, spicy, it's interesting. We have Jah Model. You know what I mean? Also a social media influencer, selector, artist, producer. Zine is asking why the Prime Minister Andrew Holness keep getting disrespected by this waste man, Scamma, chopper. Who is he talking? Lt Lewis. We also have a gentleman. He's also questioning, you know what I mean, Jamaica politician, them, the bigger heads them, who keep on, you know, chastising Vybz Kartel and saying, labeling him as a criminal, bad influencer. And yet still Marcus Garvey was also imprisoned, Mandela, but them praise them. Double standard. You make on hear what I say. You see me? And also Isabatooth is calling out for the help and the support of Lt Stitchie. So here we go straight into the vlog, you know. So don't go nowhere, you know. Alright, kick it off with Isabatooth.
Yes, people, to the entire human race, up to Jesus Christ doing best. And when Jesus Christ doing best, a lot of people tearing them with no negative thing. No, I say all that to say this. Lt Stitchie is in urgent need of help, and Isabatooth as an entertainer, I reach out for Lt Stitchie. Now many people have good to say about you and bad. So I me as the people from on the heart, which one does it through the first stone? So everyone deserves forgiveness. I'm going to ask the general public and most of all to the music industry. Reach out to Lt Stitchie and show them the love and show them that if Jesus Christ can forgive the entire human race, we can forgive Lt Stitchie if no people have any bad or negative thing about him. Let us give the support and show love to one another. God Almighty is almighty for prosperity.
Yes, my babe, so that is Isabatooth, you know, in support of Lt Stitchie. I don't know if he hasn't received the full amount of money they're asking for to do his treatment, you know, about we see people are saying pastor, we have people are saying fake news and everything. But who does that? Who spread fake news and call on dead pan people, you know? But I don't know, Isabatooth is asking for help for Lt Stitchie. Anyone out there can assist, please do so. Zayn, blessed. Moving on now, Jah Model is addressing the Prime Minister and Lt Lewis.
Make say more, don't tell me, tell them. That is it. You don't know. Yo, Jamaica. I want to talk like I'm a decent person, okay? Alright, to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness. Mr. Andrew Holness, can I ask you a simple question, please? Why is it you allowed Lt Lewis to disrespect you in all ways on social media? Why is it the leader of our country, Jamaica, is getting disrespect by a waste man, a scammer, a chopper? Why is he disrespecting the Prime Minister so much on so much blogs, so much videos, so much posts, every given opportunity, and nothing is coming out of it? But then now, as soon as a regular you run the corner, speak in mind, by the next day, him in a handcuff. And if you apologize after I get a couple slap up. So how come you want the rest of Jamaica to respect the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, while you have L.A. Lewis, a style you are disrespecting in the most utmost way? So tell me what the secret. I want to know the secret of the accounts them or wagwan. Or him have some secret for you or something. It's very disrespectful. Zane, and it just shows say you only use your power one way. I look like L.A. Lewis really has some power there. I don't understand. But which power I have? Guys, not the power of the Maroons. L.A. Lewis now have a power for your Maroons. L.A. Lewis is just like a waste man who when they go around Jamaica, spray up the whole of Jamaica, L.A. Lewis. And then now every white woman who come on the island, him run them down like sun, like fly. Yeah, every white woman come on the island, he run. You notice L.A. Lewis now run down black woman. The one black woman, L.A. Lewis, decide to chat to a Jamaica was Gully Bop woman, why name Marie. There's something what turn well look tin and chicken back right now. You don't know question that and think about that. See? And then you don't have him a style up the Prime Minister, and then you don't want we to respect the Prime Minister. You don't want the younger generation to respect the Prime Minister. We don't have a man say him a this and him a that and in style and disrespect the Prime Minister and the most way like him and the Prime Minister asleep with the same woman. Mr. Andrew Holness, answer that. Just put an answer to it. Or just send your boy them. No, not say nobody. But a question me ask because we have all the proofs them on the social media for sure say. Back in that time there, as soon as a man say Andrew Holness, you go there, you slap them in their face. Right now if me go say Mr. Andrew Holness up, you would have send for me. You see me? So me not no styling to style Mr. Andrew Holness, because he not do me nothing. He not do me nothing, but me want to know why is it all the L.A. Lewis can do all these things to the Prime Minister of Jamaica. That more want to know, frankly speaking. Don't tell me, tell them.
Yes, man, that is the one and only Jah Model, One Golf. You know what I mean? Universal music, you know what I'm saying? Yes, the man I say, yo, why? Oh, L.A. Lewis had this up the Prime Minister and I get to with it all the while, but any ordinary person who come out and speak their mind against the PM, him send police for them. You know what I'm saying? But let me know what y'all think, my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man, L.A. Lewis now run for your mouth. Yeah, well, let me know what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Moving on though, here with a gentleman has to say relating to Vybz Kartel and the criticism he's getting. You know what I mean? Yeah, from him attend the PMP conference, you see me? Yes, I hear myself.
I just want to quickly point out something to show how confused we are as a nation. Marcus Garvey was imprisoned in the United States for mail fraud. Yet, today we celebrate him as Jamaica's first national hero. Marcus Garvey's criminal record still stands as a criminal. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison and came out and became president of South Africa. And we celebrated and idolized him. We saw him as a beacon and an example for all black men to follow. Vybz Kartel had his conviction squashed and was released from prison after 13 years. No criminal record. Isaac Buchanan was twice convicted but has his record expunged and now has no criminal record. But society want to tell us that Vybz Kartel and Isaac Buchanan, the gatekeepers in society and political apologists, want to tell us that they are a disgrace to our society. But Marcus Garvey isn't. Neither is Mandela. Just 2 weeks ago, I saw Minister Juliet Cuthbert Flynn lauding some inmates from correctional facilities within Jamaica who would have achieved some academic accomplishments, some got degrees and all other things. And in doing so, she said these are people who could come and make meaningful contribution to our society. The prison system was meant to reform. So those persons who are still in prison, we are looking that they can come and make meaningful contributions to society. But those two who are out, namely Kartel and Isaac, can't. Even though the prison system was meant to reform and change people, so when people come back into society, they come back a different person from how they went in. But people are trying to convince us now that they are a disgrace and an embarrassment to society. Like, seriously? What we not really are trying to say? What's the message we not try to send? Because I'm confused. I'm totally confused now. People who still in a prison can come out and make contribution to society. But those who have their records expunged and those who had their conviction quashed can't. But yet still we have a criminal in Marcus Garvey whose records still remain as our first national hero. And I am not disrespecting the man. I am not disrespecting the man. I'm just saying how we view things as a nation. We have our wires really crossed.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, now you hear what that gentleman has to say. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. If you don't agree with him, yes or no, or he has a point. I think he has a point, and what him say makes sense, you know, if you look into it. You see me, but let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. You know, the man of peace, big up on yourself. I work with them again. I'm back at work, you know. Bye.